Shri Ganapati Sharada Gurubhyo Namaha. Welcome to all to Ashtavakra Gita, chapter 13, shloka chanting with brief meaning.
अथ त्रयोदशोऽध्यायः
Chapter 13.
जनक उवाच अकिञ्चन भवं स्वास्थ्यं कौपीन त्वेऽपि दुर्लभं त्यागादाने विहायास्मादहमासे यथा सुखम्.
Janaka said, the tranquility that springs in one who is without anything is rare even when one possesses nothing but a loincloth. Therefore, giving up renunciation and acceptance, I live happily.
कुत्रापि खेदः कायस्य जिह्वा कुत्रापि खिद्यते मनः कुत्रापि तत्यक्त्वा पुरुषार्थे स्थितः सुखम्.
There is trouble of the body somewhere, trouble of the tongue somewhere, and trouble of the mind somewhere. Having renounced these, I live happily in life's supreme goal.
कृतं किमपि नैव स्यात् इति सञ्चिन्त्य तत्त्वतः यदा यत्कर्तुमायाति तत्कृत्वा से यथा सुखम्.
Fully realizing that nothing whatsoever is really done by the self, I do whatever presents itself to be done and live happily.
कर्म नैष्कर्म्य निर्बन्ध भावा देहस्थयोगिनः संयोगायोग विरहादहमासे यथा सुखम्.
The yogis who are attached to the body insist upon action or inaction, owing to the absence of association and dissociation. I live happily.
अर्थानर्थो न मे स्थित्या गत्या न शयनेन वा तिष्ठन् गच्छन् स्वपन् तस्मादहमासे यथा सुखम्.
No good or evil accrues to me by staying, going, or sleeping. So I live happily whether I stay, go, or sleep.
स्वपतो नास्ति मे हानिः सिद्धिर्यत्नवतो न वा नाशोल्लासो विहायास्मादहमासे यथा सुखम्.
I do not lose by sleeping or gain by striving, so giving up thoughts of loss and elation, I live happily.
सुखादिरूपा नियमं भावेष्वालोक्य भूरिशः शुभाशुभे विहायास्मादहमासे यथा सुखम्.
Observing again and again the fluctuations of pleasure, etc., under different conditions, I have renounced good and evil and am happy.
ನಮಸ್ತೆ ಶಾರದೆ ದೇವಿ ಕಾಶ್ಮೀರ ಪುರವಾಸಿನಿ ತ್ವಾಮಹಂ ಪ್ರಾರ್ಥೆಯೇ ನಿತ್ಯಂ ವಿದ್ಯಾದಾನಂಚ ದೇಹಿಮೆ. ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ.